They talk about me like my full name's Akira, but compensated pairs for the less than half fearless.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, first real video of 2018. Yes, we made it. We did. And for this channel, for those of you who have been following me, thank y'all for continuing to subscribe to my channel, even though it's been about a year since I've actually posted anything. And for everyone who is new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. I really do greatly appreciate all of you. Okay, you couldn't see me in that mirror back there because I got a little short dress on. So yes, I want to kick this channel off with a little haul. It's not a whole lot of stuff, but this is going to be a plus size try on haul. So I did pick up some stuff from Fashion Nova, as well as G Stage Love, I believe. So let's jump right into it. And they look like this. And I got these from G Stage Love. So that's the first thing that I'm going to start with. G Stage Love, I just got pants. I picked up a few pair of jeans and some slacks and stuff like that. Just some stuff that I can wear to work that is casual. But this is the first item that I got. If you hear my phone ringing, I apologize in advance. But they look like this. They are really wide leg pants. I did try these on. I love the way that they fit. These are in a size 3X and they were $26.99. Really nice. I like the pockets. They actually do have pockets. These are real pockets, so they are usable. They do have little pleats in them in the front, if you can see, like some stitching here down the front of the leg. I really like that. Really like that. And these are really good material. They do stretch, so they do have a lot of stretch in them. I could have actually probably sized down in these, but are just some jeans. These are also from G Stage Love. These are in a size 20. They are the Fiona skinny jean. They do have some distress on the front of the pants, like so. Very nice. And they are skinny jeans. So this is what it looks like at the bottom. These also have a lot of stretch. I could have gotten an 18. Now I typically am an 18 in my pants. However, I did size up because this is the first time that I've ever purchased jeans from this website. So I did actually go a size up, but I really do like these jeans. I like the fit. These are white. Yes, I am looking forward to spring and summer already. So these are just a white pair of pants. These also have some distressed stitching on the front of the pant leg. These are also straight leg jeans. And they are white, like so. Very nice. I could have, these are in a size 20 also, and I don't see the price on these. And these are actually so stretchy that they are too big. So I really, excuse my camera, I really should have gotten the 18 in these. These are the essential skinny jeans. Yeah, I probably should have sized down in those. Are these really nice black slacks. Excuse me. These are in a 3. Oh, I'm sorry. These are in a size 18, which is perfect, and they fit perfect too. I started to get a size 20 in these, but I'm so glad that I didn't, because they would have been entirely too big. So I did get an 18. I'm so glad that I did. They are super. Do you see the stretch? Like, I mean, these are crazy stretchy, but they are so comfortable, and I absolutely love the fit of these jeans so much, and they are so super soft. So between these and the red ones, love, or these pants here. No, these are Fashion Nova. Sorry, I only picked up 4 pair of pants from GS Love. The rest of my haul is Fashion Nova. My apologies, but these are Fashion Nova jeans. I have tried to wear these. I love Fashion Nova, don't get me wrong. These are 3X. As you know, Fashion Nova only goes up to a size 3X in their jeans. But hunty, your girl cannot get in these. I can get in them. Let me take that back. I can get in them. However, they're not comfortable around my waist. They are entirely too tight. Fashion Nova jeans are made to kind of hug you and suck in your waist, which is great. But these are just not doing it for me. They're too tight. I love the feel of these jeans. They are skinny leg, and I like the bleached acid denim right here. Really nice. I like the jeans overall. However, they just are too tight for me. So if I'm able to lose some weight on my little diet, because I'm going, honey, we together, okay? We together are gonna try and lose some weight before the summer. We gotta be summertime vibes, you feel me? I picked up our throwing stuff, just some shirts and sweaters. This one is my favorite. It's just this green kind of sweater. I love the zipper here. This is actually a real zipper. It does work. You can put little stuff in there. I can put my phone in there or some cash in there if I'm just going to the grocery store and don't want to carry my bag with me. I really like that about this shirt. The sleeves are not long sleeves. I think they're like 3/4 of a sleeve. So you could roll them up really nicely. It does have an actual pocket in the front of the shirt, which I really like a whole lot. But initially what drew me to this shirt was that it is intended to be an off-the-shoulder shirt, which I really would like. It's so freaking cute. Like, you put this on and have it off your shoulder like that. So freaking cute. So I cannot wait to actually wear this. This is in a 3X, and this was $24.99 from Fashion Nova. I really love this very thick, nice material one. Another sweater from Fashion Nova, and I know when I first got this, I was like, wait, how does this go? But it's really cute. It's like this cute mauve pink type of color, and it's it's supposed to hug you a little bit, excuse me, at the waist, but really nice. And so, wait. Okay, I thought it was inside out for a minute. I didn't even notice the detailing on the sleeve. So it has this nice detailing on the sleeve here. Kind of looks like it's inside out, but it's not. It's really cute. It reminds me of like those bat wings, I think they're called, because that's how it looks. And then this is like also a 3/4 of a sleeve shirt, so it will be really cute rolled up on the arms as well. This part here is supposed to kind of hang off your shoulder as well. I think the sexiest thing on a woman is shoulder, like shoulder. So that's just my whole thought process about clothes when I'm picking out shirts, especially sweaters and stuff. So I really like this. I love the color of it. It's very comfortable. It's lightweight, so it's not too heavy. This would be something that you would wear more towards the spring, end of winter type, unless you wanted to wear it with a really cute jacket, like a faux leather jacket, like a moto jacket or something, with some jeans and some boots. Really cute bodysuit. This this is actually how it goes. So it has these sleeves here, but it also has this choker. Really cute. So when I went to put this on, I was looking at the bottom of it and I was like, okay, I can't get it to, where's the buttons? So there's no buttons. Glad that it fits, because you literally have to slip into this through this part, like through the neck part. So I'm glad that it fits perfectly. I'm glad that I did go up to a 3X. Don't know how much this costs. I just took the tag off, but it's really nice. It's really thin. Well, it's not thin, but it's kind of sheer. Sorry guys, my battery died. But also, it has really nice long sleeves. And when I say that these sleeves are long, they're really long, like I like, because I love for my sleeves to come really long on my arms when I have on long sleeves. But this will be really cute with some jeans and some nice booties and a really cute jacket. Guys, well, yes, that is it for this small plus size try on fashion haul. My first one here on my channel. I plan to do plenty more of these. And also, if you guys like my makeup look, please let me know down in the comment sections, because I would love to do a full-on makeup tutorial for you. If you like this look, if you like this video overall, of course, you know what to do. Please thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. This is just one of many videos to come throughout 2018. I have so much for you guys that I want to do, so much that I want to share, and just overall, I'm excited to be back here on YouTube, the platform. So until then, I will see you all in my next video. You know what to do. Stay sweet. And I'm out. Bye.